method and termination, and connection according to job specification. Clamping. A comes from the root word clamp, which means holding something together tightly. A screw clamp is a tool designed to join or hold two or more objects firmly together. A spring clamp is a clamp that uses the pressure of a metal spring to press the two ends to press the material. Insulation, displacement, connection. See this. Push the wire between two sharp pieces of metal. It allows connection to be made without any exposing of bare wire to ribbon. Cables. The gray cable is stripped and the rainbow cable has an ID connector. Pin connector. The device that joins two places of equipment, wires, or piping with the use of pins. Terminal block. Multiple wires are being connected individual to a single terminal point and enclosed in its housing. Rack and panel. These are usually used to connect stationary equipment with removable electronic part. Ring and spade. It connects a single wire. The connection is secured by sandwiching a threaded post and a screw or bolt.